It's me, Arseny, as you all know, and today we're going to be reviewing my $500 Mazda 3. So if you come over here, these are actually the BBS, custom BBS rims that I ordered, right? And these lug nuts, they add 25 horsepower each. 25 times 5. I mean, I didn't graduate, so I don't know math, but like, that's a lot of ponies right there. If you see all this here, it's actually, they're little chips. Air gets caught in it and it pushes the car downwards to keep the tires planted, like when you're launching and going around corners. Like, huh? What?
What's going on, guys? Today I'm back with another video here with the boy Caden.
Yo, yo, yo!
And today we're gonna be unveiling something very special. Most of you guys have been down in the comments section telling me how I don't upload enough Mazda content. Well, have no fear, because the Mazda content is coming back, as I bought a $500 beater Mazda 3, which we will be doing the most questionable modifications to. Anyways, so here she is. She's a 2004 Mazda 3 sedan with Steelies, 2.3 liter engine with 300,000 kilometers. Surprisingly, she does not burn a drop of oil. She does not leak a drop of oil. We just had a new clutch put in her. She's a 5-speed manual. She's a little bit beat up. She needs some loving, but we're gonna give it to her.
2.5 turbo? Maybe in the future. You never know.
Stay tuned for that. Mazda content is finally coming back. I'm super excited to bring you guys this video. This is the new car that's gonna be in the fam right now. First of all, when I bought the car, quarter glass window got smashed when the previous owner had it in his possession, only to steal like 5 cents, which honestly makes no sense to me. But the most important thing is there is zero rust. The body is all solid, even though she is from Canada. Same with this side. There's absolutely zero rust on the rear quarter panel. They didn't coat these until 2007, I don't think.
Even the 07 to 09s were really bad, like here and just like all around the rear fender here.
Anyways, moving on to the interior, it's pretty simple. You got leather seats, you got worn out carpet. She has 310,271 right now. Car came with the dash cam, sunroof, basically full load. There is some damage on the hood. There is a bunch of rock chips peeling. Nothing too major. A little bit of rust right here. Other than the front end, the body is pretty clean. Let's pop the bonnet. Check it out.
Fuck, you popped the bonnet, mate!
Smells really good. See, the rad support is actually cracked from the previous owner, but he just said to hell with it. It doesn't burn a drop of oil. Like, it's insane. It's just insanity. And then you got, obviously, the 2004 front end. If you guys want to see that facelift upgrade, be sure to let me know. Anyways, like I said, guys, she's been around the block.
What happened?
Dude, you just tried to...
You pull my pants! That was a good pull, dude. That was a sick pull.
He's getting some gas at the gas station right now. The homeboy coming to the rescue.
Chemical guys, quick detail, right?
Dude, that's been on there for days now. It's so crusty.
Don't make me do it.
Sim.
No, I'm just kidding. Lick it.
Just let me know in the comments what you think about this garage trim custom spoiler. Free gift from my boy.
Hey, I got you. Shout out to Sammer for throwing it in the back of my car.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. Mazda content's coming back. I'm super stoked, super excited to bring you guys Mazda content back. Stay tuned for the next mod for this car. It's gonna be super dope. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will catch you guys in the next one. Woo!